Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. We are the planets, big and small, spinning around the sun, one and all, round and round every day. Come with us and sing, hooray! Jupiter,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Neptune.
now we know them, everyone. Learning science can be fun.
Jupiter,